Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. As of today I am going to show you some questions on trigonometry. So if you have watched my prior video that I gave on the trigonometry, so you must have completed these theorems. I have proved them in front of you. So if you have not checked my prior video, so do check it. You will get a quite better understanding of this thing. But as of now I will be doing the questions on trigonometry, and if you are willing to check those proofs and the basics of trigonometry you want to understand, then I will give a card to the link. So let's get started. So I will be discussing these questions today, but first of all I want to discuss to you one thing. So as you can see here, I wrote sine x, and then as of basically these are proofs, right? So you do from LHS to RHS. You start calculation on LHS and make it towards RHS, right? So that's how we prove equation, theorems, or hypotheses, right? You must have seen in the exercises of your book the concise remind you of the prior two equations that I mentioned in my previous video, and this will be very helpful and handy today to solve those questions. The first one, the very most important, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, and the second that you can easily derive from that, just divided by cos square theta, then this becomes 1, this becomes tan square theta, and this becomes sec square theta, right? For detailed description, see my prior video. Well, so I hope you understand these two equations. So let's get started doing solving these questions one by one. But first, do try each one of them yourself. I'm holding for a bit, so I hope you have tried yourself for some time. So I am solving one each one. I'm trying to solve, right? So let's get started. Well, so as of this question, this is the LHS and this is RHS, right? When both of them are equated equal by equal operator, we say the theorem is true. I hope this basic understanding is clear. So let's start from the LHS and let's prove that it is equal to RHS, right? So what LHS gives, always write LHS like this and then start. 1 minus sine x divided by 1 plus sine x x. We multiply, this is known as componendo dependendo, multiplying 1 plus sine x in both numerator and denominator, right? To write their full forms in the exam, right? This is numerator, this is denominator, right? And write the cause why you are doing it, or else the marks may be deducted. So let's move forward. 1 minus sine x, 1 plus sine x divided by 1 plus sine x whole square, right? So this tends to be a minus b multiply a plus a, multiply a plus b gives a square minus b square, right? So by using that, I can easily write 1 minus sine square x by 1 plus sine x whole square, right? And this is nothing but this is right, this is sine square x plus cos square x is 1. So by using it, I can easily write, then sine square x gets cancelled. It becomes nothing but cos square x divided by 1 plus sine x whole square. So you can see square gets cancelled, and we arrive at the cos x divided by 1 plus sine x. This is nothing but our RHS. We proved the equation. This is how we proved, and you get full marks, right, for solving this equation. And always mention this given that RHS, given that by starting, then LHS, write the thing, always write the reason why you are doing those things and how you are applying, make it through the question, derive the RHS, and it will be proved and the question will be fulfilled. I hope I made this thing clear to you. So do write the question. I will be rubbing it and moving to the next question. I hope you have written. Erasing it and moving to the next question. Well, so I wrote the next question. So try it yourself. I hope you have tried yourself. So let's get started. This is the LHS portion. So again I am applying componendo dividendo, or simply by multiplying 1 plus cos theta on both numerator and denominator. Write it fully, right? In exams, don't write like this. Well, and then we'll just be doing the thing. This becomes square. Sorry, and this becomes simply 1 minus cos square theta, just like the prior one, right? And what is this? Nothing but sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, right? So I am just substituting in sine square theta, and then 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus cos theta whole square divided by sine square theta whole under root. So it becomes nothing but cos theta by sine theta. But still we have not achieved the RHS. Can you see? So don't get afraid that just by applying one step you will always attain the RHS. Don't always think that. When you don't achieve, you achieve something, some marks will be given to you. But let's see how we can get this from this, right? So let's try it. Well, sorry, I wrote here tan theta by 1 sec theta minus 1, right? That will be the reciprocal. I mistakenly wrote it, but no problem. That was we are trying to prove, right? So but it is not quite the same, right? So what to do? Can you see one thing that is happening here? Sin theta is in down, we need to transform it into tan theta. What to do? Just divide it by cos theta, right? Let's do it. Dividing the whole equation by cos theta, what we get? Cos theta becomes 1 by cos theta becomes sec theta, and sin theta by cos theta becomes tan theta. So we got RHS and proved, right? So I hope I made this clear to you. So whenever you do one step and stuck that and you see that you cannot get the RHS, don't stop there. Try something and you will eventually just solve. If the question is wrong, marks will be given. That is different topic. Well, let's move to the last question. Well, here I want to say you something, that always we will be taking from RHS to LHS is not like that. It is an by-side function. Means if we take from RHS and do back calculation to LHS, or take RHS and forward calculation, if we just can show that both are equivalent, then eventually the question will get itself rectified. So as you can see, I took the RHS this time and trying to reach LHS, right? Well, so let's move, or similar way you can just transform it. If I think that I will be just transforming the question like sec square theta, rewrite one time, always rewrite this, right? Then eventually what I did, I just transformed it and made it LHS and then RHS. So I am just writing one line, but always make sure to write this line, or else if you mistakenly wrote LHS and wrote there, marks may be cut, right? So let's move forward. Just the true convention, LHS to RHS, LHS, right? Then I am moving to RHS. Very good, right? So I think you understood the topic what I tried to say. So let's move forward, right? Here you can see as I wrote the thing, but here the main point is dividing the whole equation by cos square theta, right? Why I did this, you will eventually notice, as we are trying to gain something that is squared in term itself, no? So we must make sure that every term is squared in itself. What I meant, I hope I made myself clear, right? Well, you will understand by doing multiple questions. Try and practice in your home, and I will be showing some more question when I will do some video and try and practice them. We will get an idea why I do like that and why I do like this, right? So let's move forward. So if I divide the whole equation dividing by cos square theta, what happens? Let's write and let's see. This becomes cos square theta, the first term. Then this becomes tan square theta, sin square theta divided by cos square theta, tan square theta, right? This thing here uh, 1 by cos square theta, sorry, the tan square theta, if we divide it, then the thing becomes tan square theta, and the rest remains just multiplied, 1 plus cos square theta, right? So let's see and move forward, right? Well, so here as you can see I wrote the thing, then I will be just multiplying this by whole this, then what becomes cos square theta plus tan square theta plus tan square theta multiply cos square theta, that is sin square theta divided by cos square theta multiplied by log square theta. So this cancel and this, and what is this, and this becomes 1. So 1 plus tan square theta, and it becomes 6 square theta. Hope you have learned something from this video. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll be uploading, and so this is for today. If you like the video, do like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching. I see you in the next video.